There you are. Hi guys, my name is Patrick, but you can call me 26, and what we're going to do today is we are going to talk about Swift. You all know about Swift, right? Apple's powerhouse language. It's slick, it's modern, and most days it's an absolute joy to work with. Chris Leitner and the rest of the guys have done an excellent job in designing the language, and as it comes on 10 years, it's among the best languages out there. But have you ever been deep in code writing out an app and thought, maybe this would be a lot easier if I was doing it in another language? You know the feeling, right? So that's exactly what we want to talk about today. We're going to talk about absolutely brilliant features from other languages that Swift could borrow that would greatly increase the developer experience. Okay, first on the list, let's talk about our handling of data. In Swift, structs are our go-to for bundling up information. They're really good, they're solid, and they're good for value types. We all love them. But how many times have you made a struct and then gone, right, now I need to make it equatable so that I can compare them, hashable for my sets and dictionaries, and of course, a decent string output for debugging would be nice, so we need it to make it conform to CustomStringConvertible. That's a lot of boilerplate code we have to type, right? Wouldn't it be better if all this could come with structs? Now, let's have a look at Kotlin, a language that is all about making developers happy. Kotlin has an absolutely great feature called a data class. When you mark a class as a data class in Kotlin, the compiler gives you a load of useful methods straight out of the box. We have equals, which will allow us to compare stuff, hash code for hashing, obviously, toString, which can be equivalent to CustomStringConvertible. We even have a copy method to easily make new versions with very few tweaks, right? Now, if we could adopt this in Swift, that would be really huge, especially if you're starting out, right? You could just focus on what data is without getting bogged down with all the extra setup for basic stuff. Okay, of course, Swift is always evolving, and the team at Apple and the whole community do an absolutely stellar job pushing it forward. This is just one idea from us in the trenches, thinking about what could make that learning journey even smoother. But what do you reckon? Are there any features from other languages you want in Swift? Get in the comments, I read them all, and I genuinely want to hear all your ideas. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.